Hi, and welcome to this mini master graphic design class. I'm Emma Ebling from the Brand Method, and today I want to teach you how to select the right images to visually express your brand story and message. When you show up on social media, someone lands on your website or picks up a piece of your print marketing material, we have to make sure that that message is succinct across all touch points because 90% of the information that that person is receiving is visual. And so it's telling a story. And we need to make sure that story tells exactly who we are, what we do, why we do it, and what we want to be known for. So I want to help you select these images that are going to push your brand message forward and create that clear indication of all of those things. So I'm going to jump over into Canva and I'm going to help you to know which images to pick, which ones to avoid, and how to tell that brand story.
I'm going to demonstrate two different types of salons and two different styles of brands. For each, I'll articulate who they are, why they do what they do, and what they want to be known for. The first is this funky, kind of a little bit pop culture looking brand that is fun and engaging. And they are a beauty salon that specializes in every type of beauty, both all personal care. So mani-pedis, facials, waxing, tanning, lashes, the lot. You don't get a lot of that in these images because it's an emotion that I'm trying to convey here. What we're doing is building a image identity board for our brand. Some people call it a mood board. We're creating emotion and tone and story with our images. So how did I come to pick these images for this particular brand? Well, I know it's a funky beauty salon that specializes in every type of personal care and beauty, but I needed to know what their why was. And this particular brand that I created in about 3 minutes, why is they have always loved transforming appearance and how it made themselves feel and how they see it makes others feel, the confidence it gives them. They want to be known for creating a safe space, a fun space that instantly puts a smile on people's face whenever they connect with this particular business. They want to remind people of how unique they are and how special they are and that just being you is beautiful. So how did I pick images for this particular brand? Well, I started out by looking at what's the feelings that I wanted people to recognize about this business. What do I want to be known for? Well, we want to be known for fun and a relaxed environment. So I started looking for images that were in line with this. I typed in party girl because I was thinking about the emotion and the association with those types of things that I want to be known for. And I looked for images that had that kind of poppy, bright colors, inviting character traits and personality that I believed my business is about. Now, I just selected two particular different colors, pink and blue. That was easy. And then from here, I could find images that aligned with that. Now this image is poppy, but it doesn't seem to suit the type of brand that I'm building here. This one's fun and bright. Yeah, it's not really the look I'm going for. This here, though, that's perfect. And Canva gives us so many fashionable beauty, specialized treatments now, like needling and lashes and injectables. All of these kind of images are now in Canva. So take advantage of them. Create different keyword searches here. I probably don't want this kind of image. It's, party girl, but it's not that relaxed kind of fun vibe. She's a little bit too out there for this particular brand, but this kind of girl next door look, anybody, we just want to have fun and be friendly. That's the type of image that we're looking for. And so I could slot that one in there. I'm not going to though. And then keep going. What else? There doesn't see. Oh, here's where I found the little cupcake. This girl probably would even work. And then I started looking at beauty images. I went hair and beauty. And then I found this particular woman. This looks like the type of people that I would like to attract to my business. And yes, I could probably use this pop culture, but it's a little bit maybe clinical type looking, a little too, pop art. This woman here, the whole mood of the image is completely changing the mood of my brand. Even though I do sell facials and this woman's skin is amazing, I probably wouldn't use this. I wouldn't use this image. I'd be looking for ones that told the same story as my brand. And that's where I see a lot of business owners get it wrong. They're telling different stories with their images. So do like a quick scroll through. No. Maybe this for like tanning or waxing. And then I did other searches. So I looked at, I think I did bikinis, because that's associated with waxing. And I found some cool, fun images here. This one would be perfect. This one. This. Probably this. Bright colors, fresh, fun images. Maybe not so much here. Yes, this. This. Do you see how I'm building a brand here? Now, if this was a salon that was a little bit more clinical and offered more clinical services, I'd be picking completely different images. Again, these are all high quality photos found only in Canva. And this time I started searching, I was like facials. And this is going to bring up a lot of images like this one, have a more clinical type feel about them. They're presented, there's a lot of white, maybe some gray tones. Here, I would be using this kind of image for a more clinical type salon. However, I don't want to make it, as we look here, is the whole image feel kind of stark. I want to still add my personality, that we're a really personable salon, because the who of this particular salon here that I'm building out is that they're a Medi-Spa that offers clinical treatments such as laser, microdermabrasion, body sculpting, skin needling, teeth whitening, etc. And their why is that they believe everybody has access to beautiful skin, and no two skin types are the same. Therefore, each treatment plan should be individualized and customized for the best results. And they want to be known for that they exceed expectations with personalized luxury clinical services, and that their highly trained staff continually change people's lives with their outstanding results. So they want to let people know that they have expert quality staff, that their results are absolutely out of this world, but they also want to remain friendly and approachable and have personality traits within their brand identity that, they connect with people. They're going to take care of you. You're not just going to get a cold, clinical service. So we want to be picking images that reinforce that message. And here, these images they're more clinical and stark looking, but they're pure, and they've got white and grey and light undertones. And even though this is an image of just jeans on a t-shirt on a bike and it shows personality, it's the same style and feel of images throughout this particular brand. And then you can see that the color tones are in there. And one quick way that I like to illustrate this is if I was to search for coffee. Now, coffee is totally not clinical at all. And we've got lots of images in here, but I wouldn't be using that one. I want to create a feeling and emotion with the images so that it's telling a story. And I'd be scrolling. No. Like, that's one white, but it's still got these warmer tones to it. It's not the image I'm looking for. Yeah. Come on, Canva. Show us something interesting. Okay, something like this. It's got warmer tones to it, but it's got the kind of Similar color palette. So if I was to slot that in here, it's not going to look out of place. Or an image like, this one. See how it's got the same kind of professionalism about it? It's a little bit more corporate looking while still fitting in with our overall image and tone that we're creating here.
Thank you for joining me for this mini master graphic design class. If you'd like to learn more about design, digital marketing, or brand strategy, hook up with us either by tapping that subscribe button, liking this particular video, and reaching out to us either in the comments below or over on our socials at The Brand Method. We'd love to hear from you. So if you've got questions, we've got answers. Till next time, bye.